Topic is solving differential equations by separation of variables. Alright, so let's do this example. Y squared ln x dx dy is the equation is equal to y minus 3 squared over x. So remember, our goal is to have all the y's on one side and all the x's on one side, and the rule is if you have, let me just write it this way, so this is some CD times EF. You can move, as long as it's product, let me add more stuff here, I don't know, M, N. You can move things diagonally, it's not going to be a problem. In other words, you can move E to the numerator, C, as long as you move things diagonally. So before we do that, let me rewrite the equation as y squared ln x dx over dy is equal, I'm going to split this to, I want the x's to be on one side, the y's to be on one side, so y minus 3 squared for the numerator and then x squared for the denominator. So now I'm going to try to have x's on the left side because dx is on the numerator. Otherwise I usually want to have dy on the left side. Alright, so what I need to do, so I'm going to leave all the x's that are on the left side. So ln x on the left side, I'm going to keep it. dx is on the left side, right? And then y minus 3 squared is on the right side. Now what do I need to move? I need to move this y squared to the right side. So since it's in the numerator, it got to go down to the denominator. So y squared goes this way. Now dy is in the denominator, so it's got to go to the numerator, so dy goes that way. X squared is in the denominator, it's got to go to the numerator, so x squared is going to go here. So here we have all the x's and dx's on the left side and all the y's and dy's on the left side. Now let me just rewrite the y's because we're looking for y. Let me rewrite this, switch right to left to right. So this is going to be y minus 3 squared over y squared dy. And the right side is x squared ln x dx. Now next thing, all we need to do is take the integral of both sides and then solve. Integrate both sides. Alright, so how do we solve left side? Left side is pretty easy. All you need to do is FOIL. So if you FOIL the numerator, you get minus y squared minus 2 times 3 is 6y plus 3 squared is 9. All that over y squared dy. The right side you have to use probably integrating what do you call that, method by integration, so integration by parts, right? So how do we do that? Let me rewrite this as integral of ln x times x squared dx. Alright, the reason why I did that, because I'm going to call this a u, and then I'm going to call this a dv. Why did I do it this way? Because it's easier to find du. Yes, and the integration by parts says what? Integral of u dv is equal uv minus v du. Right? So since this is a u, which is ln x, we know du will be 1 over x dx, and then dv, we said it's x squared dx, so the v will be integral of x squared dx would be x3 over 3. Alright, so now let's go back here. Left side will be what? Well, to make this easy, let's divide by y squared. So y squared over y squared minus 6y over y squared plus 9y negative 2. All of this dy. Let's go back to the right side. Right side is supposed to be uv, right? uv is what? x3 over 3 ln x minus integral, we said integral of vdu. vdu will be these. So vdu will be x cubed over 3 times 1 over x dx, right? Now let's go back to the left side. Y squared over y squared is 1. This will be 6 over y plus 9, y negative 2 dy. And the right side will be x cubed over 3 ln x minus, simplify the x, and take off 1 over 3, so 1 over 3, x cubed over x is x squared dx. Now on the left side, integral of 1 is y minus 6. Integral of 1 over y is ln of absolute value of y plus 9, y minus 2 plus 1 is y negative 1 over negative 1. This is equal x3 over 3 ln x minus 1 over 3. Integral of x squared is x3 over 3 plus some constants. Now let's rewrite this nicely. Y minus 6 ln of y minus 9 over y is equal x3 over 3 ln x. 3 times 3 is 9, so 1 over 9 x cubed plus some constant c. Now if you want to get rid of the fractions, multiply everything by least common of 9 and 3, so 27. So 27y minus 27 times 6, that would be 162. Minus 27 times 9, $243 over y is equal 27 divided by 3 is 9, so this will be 9x cubed ln x minus 27 over 9 is 3x cubed plus 3 times c. We're just going to call it another c and then say c equal 3c1. Let's call this c1. You can move, this is fine, or you can move the axis. By the way, this is an implicit solution. You cannot find an explicit solution. So, implicit solution. You can't get an explicit one. And that's it for this example.